Did you know the new Epstein files reveal something so weird about powerful people that it sounds totally made up? So get this, the leaked documents show that some of the biggest names in politics and business had a secret code system. They used fake names and weird phrases when talking about meetings and trips. But here's the crazy part. One politician apparently asked Epstein to help them win an election by using his connections. And it gets weirder. The files show text messages where famous people are literally asking Epstein for favors, like he's running some kind of underground help desk. The most shocking thing? There are records of private jets being used like taxis between politicians' homes and Epstein's properties. We're talking about people who could afford their own planes but chose to use his instead. And the weirdest detail that sounds totally fake but isn't, some of these powerful folks had special phone numbers that only worked for calling Epstein's inner circle. Like a secret hotline for the elite. The truth really is stranger than fiction.